Depression, stress, and heart disease are taking an enormous toll on modern society. The World Health Organization estimates that depression will impose the second biggest health burden by 2020. Scientific and medical evidence proves that the practice of mindfulness meditation has been shown to have a powerful influence on health, well-being, and happiness. The mindfulness-based cognitive therapy program, developed by Professor Mark Williams, John Teasdale of Cambridge, and Zindel Siegel at the University of Toronto, has proven clinically that meditation significantly reduces stress, high blood pressure, and prevents depression patients from becoming chronically depressed. John Kabat-Zinn, Executive Director of the Center of Mindfulness, states that the MBCT program provides a coherent structure, an architecture, if you will, within which you can observe your own mind and body in life unfolding in a systematic and trustworthy approach for working with whatever. The results of various studies conducted by a number of professionals proves that meditation lowers stress, manages depression, and lowers the risks of heart disease. The general principle behind meditation is focusing on the breath as it flows in and out of the body. Focusing on each breath allows you to observe your thoughts as they come and go. In doing so, you will realize that your thoughts come and go on their own accord. Therefore, grappling with them becomes counterproductive. Mark Williams, founder of the MCTB program, writes, "You come to the profound understanding that thoughts and feelings, including negative ones, are transient. However, the manners in which you react to these thoughts are completely within your control." You may be wondering, how does this reduce stress? Well, mindfulness meditation is about observation without criticism, being compassionate with yourself. When unhappiness or stress hovers overhead, rather than taking it personal, you learn to treat them as if they were black clouds in the sky, and to observe them with friendly curiosity as they drift past. Mindfulness meditation allows you to catch negative thought patterns before they tip you into a downward spiral. The type of mental training begins the process of putting you back in control of your life. Mindfulness meditation also reduces the risk of heart disease. It reduces heart disease by lowering the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol is released in the body as a direct response to stress, and cortisol is linked to heart disease. The COMM Foundation funded a research to measure the effectiveness of mindfulness meditation. The study was conducted by Dr. Kimberly Schoner of University of British Columbia. Through focused awareness, those who participated in the study were able to bring their cortisol levels down throughout the day, which helps in reducing and preventing heart disease. The ways in which meditation helps with depression is similar to how it aids in managing stress and heart disease. Meditation gives us insight on how the brain operates, and if we understand how it operates, we can use it as a tool in controlling our emotions. If a feeling of sadness falls upon you, mindfulness meditation teaches you to be aware of that feeling. It is not useful to try to explain the feeling or attempt to eliminate the feeling. It is useful, however, to observe the feeling with friendly curiosity and allow it to pass. Eventually, the thought and feeling will pass. Thich Nhat Hanh explains, to take hold of our minds and calm our thoughts, we must practice mindfulness of our feelings and perceptions. You must learn how to observe and recognize the presence of every feeling and through which arises in you. While observing various feelings and thoughts, you will realize that you are not your thoughts, and focusing on your breath as opposed to fighting with unwholesome feelings and thoughts brings you back to your body. The breath serves as an anchor. Mindfulness meditation is far from a clever technique or passing fad. It is in fact thousands of years old and is often spoken of as the heart of Buddhist meditation. However, meditation is not a religion. The essence of mindfulness meditation is attention and awareness, which is universal. It is scientifically proven that controlling one's emotional health can lower stress, reduce if not prevent heart disease and depression.